Hello everyone! Today I'll answer some questions that wala lang, gusto ko lang i-share. So, my life is a mix of public service, teaching, and parenting. Kaya minsan wala ka ng pahinga o I may say wala na akong pahinga. Literally. Next question.
How do you balance your government work and teaching?
Time management talaga. Umaga, I'm at the office. After work, I shift gears to teaching. Nakakapagod, pero teaching gives me energy. Yung fulfillment when your students learn from you. And of course, that is my profession. I am an education graduate. Next.
What is the hardest challenge you faced?
Hirap nun na. The most painful day of my life was when my husband shoot in front of me and my children. Actually, he's holding, hawak niya po yung anak ko na bunso when he was shot. It broke me. Pero I have to be strong. Kasi kung bibitaw ako, sino pa ang asahan ng mga anak ko? That moment changed me forever. But also give me strength that I carry today. Next.
What keeps you going?
My children are my biggest source of strength. Every achievement at work, every student I inspire, and every smile from my kids, that's what keeps me fighting every day. Next.
Why did you decide to vlog?
Is this vlog? Di ko din alam. Wala. I just want to share my story. Hindi siya perfect. Pero real one to ha. Totoo. If my story can inspire even one solo parent or someone going through struggles, then this is worth it. Next day.
Wala na.
Ay, wala na daw. Thank you everyone. Salamat po sa pakikinig. Wala lang.